Hi, my name is Gurmeet. I'm the fundamental analyst for BULLISH Malaysia. Today I'm going to focus on the gold trend based on fundamental analysis as well as technical analysis. Looking forward, as we have seen that recently there was a Fed minutes meeting. For a Fed minutes meeting, what happens is that the currency is said to be dovish. Where actually US dollar is less strengthening compared to gold. Looking forward as well, we are seeing that how this trend is going to actually affect the US dollar. Secondly, as we can see for the China is having lockdown currently, as they are actually insisting on their zero COVID policy. At the same time, we can just look at UK currently, where UK is having a very high inflation, as well as we can see for the American housing, where actually that likely that those core is actually leading to actually recessions. As we could see that that the US core retail sales recently has actually been better than expected, because the reason is that the US consumers are actually spending less in the economy, and it leads to 0.4%. But however, if you look at the retail sales basically for the US, we can see that it is at 0.0%. So looking forward for all these particular factors that we have, we are seeing that the trend is bullish. However, this is just a signal in order to know what would be the forecasted trend in the future. For today, it's just a signal where it's actually bullish, and the range is between 1755 to 1800. That is the fundamental range that we are looking at. To go about it, if let's say you are a scalper, I would suggest you to look at H4. You can go to H4 basically, and thus you can see that the current price is basically at 1760. So what we can see here is that if let's say you're going for the resistance area as well as the support area, the resistance area which is actually given is about 1782 to 1779. That is the resistance area that you can actually look into for H4. And at the same time, if you would like to go for support area, you can actually go for 1755 up to 1759. This would be the support area. And what you could do is that you can go to the lower time frame, such as 1 minute, and then you can just place your buy confirmation. So if let's say you are an intraday trader, or you do not have much time and all, so what you could do is that you can go for daily. You can go for daily trades. If let's say you're going for daily trades, what you could do is actually you have to look for a breakout. Okay, and the breakout point is at 1760. Let's see if it has breakout. Okay, so currently is actually at 1760 as well. So we want to see if let's say the breakout will be down or whether the breakout will be up. Okay, if let's say it goes down, then the potential support would be at 1760.10. That would be the support before it will bounce up to actually go higher. So you can actually go to the lower time frame, and then you can actually place a buy. If let's say you're going for the resistance area, and the potential resistance would be at 1789.15. So that is the point that we are actually looking at for the resistance point, so you can actually place your sell. But however, looking at the range, this is the two ranges that you can actually look for technical analysis. So the trend that we are looking at for technical analysis is also bullish, and for fundamental analysis is also bullish. For any further updates, do contact me, Gurmeet, at 01425844067. I'm looking forward to learn. I'm looking forward to share more. Kindly contact me. And the sources are from investing.com and also from Forex Factory. May you have a good day. Take care.